Upper screws.
The upper screws are located under the taillight covers. The cover has two small hooks. One above and one below. These two hooks need to be freed first. Simply lever outwards at the top and bottom. After the hooks have been loosened, you can pull the cover upwards at an angle and remove it. You can then see the screw and remove it.
Remove tail lights.
Removing the rear lights is not absolutely necessary, but it makes sense because it makes it easier to free the bumper. On the left side, the three nuts of the rear light are freely accessible and can therefore be removed. On the F10 sedan, removing the rear light is not that easy because you have to loosen the side cover in the trunk. On the right side, you first have to unscrew the control unit to access the nuts of the tail light. Do not unplug the control unit. Now you can easily get to all the nuts here too. After all nuts have been removed, pull the rear light out of the side wall and unplug it. The plug has no special security and can simply be pulled out.
Screws to the side.
The bumper is attached to the wheel arch liner twice on the side. Remove both screws. In addition, the bumper is screwed to the guide with one screw. The screw is screwed from bottom to top. Remove screw. After the screws have been removed, the bumper can be pulled sideways out of the guide. The bumper is also just inserted into the guide on the underside and can be pulled out.
Bottom screws.
The bumper is attached to the underside with plastic expanding rivets. Remove all expanding rivets.
Parking sensors.
Now take the bumper off a bit and unplug the parking sensors. Pull the white lock back a little and then press to release the connector from the sensor. Optionally, you can also simply remove the sensor itself from the bumper. Press the two holders of the sensor apart a little and then pull the sensor out. Be careful not to lose the rubber seal. After all sensors have been disconnected/freed, the bumper can be removed.
Reflectors.
The reflectors are only inserted into the bumper. To disassemble, simply squeeze a bit together with pliers and remove it. When reinstalling it, it is important to make sure that the bumper is pushed correctly back into the middle guide. If installed incorrectly, the gap between the bumper and the tailgate is too small and can possibly even damage the bumper. Before final assembly, check the gap and only then screw the screws back in. Good luck doing it yourself.